Good morning. I'm Chetan. I will be presenting our innovative solution for MCP Hackathon. The problem is modern workplaces are drowning and in scattered information across Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, Slack, right? So finding right document and answers takes hours, not a minutes, right? Going searching here, there, and then getting answers manually. So what we are proposing is workspace search agent. So we built one MCP server that transform how AI agent interact with the workspace tools securely and autonomously, so that user just need to query in AI agent about the document, and we will get it from whatever resources user provided with secure platform. So for that purpose, we use a Descope as a authenticator. Uh, Here you can see that we have one MCP server agent which user will means the developer will host somewhere in the AWS or same platform, and then MCP client will be able to connect to that particular server through the cloud desktop or say ChatGPT and similar type of agents. Right. So we will go over the demo. First, I will start my local server. Right. So it got started, and once this is started, I will be coming to Cloudy Desktop and will ask to log in using the email ID and password. It will try to log in. So you can see that it got authenticated to the Desktop, and now I will ask find all PDF files. So it will try to go over the Google Drive and try to fetch all PDF files. It will ask for the permissions. Once that is done, it will try. If the results are not found, it will change the query and again try to fetch the documents. So here you can see that I'm getting all the documents, the details of it, what all the documents I'm having in my Google Drive, right? Summarize Ansible automation .pdf file. So it will try to get the contents of that particular file. It, it will ask for the permission for that as well. Here you can see the document ID and user token. It is going. and then it got all the things, whatever the key summary and all. Yeah, thank you.